Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about another important chapter, profit and loss. Now here you see in this profit and loss how to solve the problems. Here generally cost price means the buying price is called as cost price. The selling price is called as selling price. If selling price is more and cost price is less, in that situation we get the profit. So profit equal to formula is selling price minus cost price. Loss means if the cost price is less than the if the cost price is more than the selling price, in that situation we get the loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. So here profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100. Here selling price equal to formula is cost price. So here in any problem, cost price and gain percentage or profit percentage is given. In that situations, selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So loss percentage is given. In that situation, selling price equal to formula is cost price into 100 minus loss price by loss percentage by 100. These are the formulas. These are the basic formulas which we are going to use in this chapter. This one is very important formula. This one is very important. Dishonest dealer. Dishonest dealer means here some of the buyers, they give less weight. Suppose who buy some 1 kilo. Here suppose we buy 1 kilo grapes in the market, but they give only 900 grams. 1 kilo grapes for 50 rupees. We assume that, but they give only 900 grams instead of 1 kilo. So this type of dealers are called as dishonest dealers. Dishonest dealers. So in the situation of dishonest dealers, always they get gain percentage. They won't get loss percentage. So here dishonest dealers always they get gain percent, they won't get any loss percentage. So gain percentage equal to formula is true white minus false white divided by false white into 100. So gain percentage equal formula is true weight. The original weight is how much here? 1 kilo. False weight, how much weight he gave to us means that one is 900 grams. That is false weight. By false weight into 100. This is the formula for dishonest dealer type of problems. So dishonest dealer always get only profit. He won't get any loss. So profit percentage equal to true weight minus false weight by false weight into 100. Now here you see that an article is bought for 600 and sold for 750. Find the gain percentage. So this is the cost price. Bought price means cost price. This is selling price. Selling price more than the cost price means you will get profit. So profit percentage or gain percentage equal to profit. How much percentage? Profit here. How much value is profit? Selling price minus cost price. 750 minus 600 is 150. Divided by cost price. Cost price 600 into percentage means 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja 12. Carry 3 30, 6 5 ja. So 25%. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next one. A man bought a watch for 1,250 and sold for 1,000. What is the loss percentage? Here, this is the watch price, cost price. This is the selling price. Here, cost price is more than the selling price. So cost price is more than the selling price means here automatically we get loss. So loss percentage equal to loss. How much loss? 1,250 minus 1,000. 250 divided by cost price 1250 into percentage means 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 25 1 ja, 25 5 ja, 125. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 0. 20%. Option number 3 is the right answer. A retailer got a discount of 10% on the market price of watch from the wholesaler. In turn, he sells it at its market price. Then his gain percentage. A retailer got a discount 10% on the market price of a watch from the wholesaler. In turn, he sells it at its market price. Then the gain percentage. Now here we see how to solve this type of problem. Here market price, we don't know market price. So take that one is 100. Assume that assumed value that one. That one is not given here. How much discount is given? 10% discount on market price. So now after 10% discount given on market price, that is the selling price of that item. So 100 on this 100 10% discount means 10 rupees. 100 minus 10 means 90. In turn, he sells it at market price, then his gain percentage. Suppose he sells to market price. What is the gain percentage? So a retailer got a discount of 10% of the market price of watch from the wholesaler. So that means here cost price. So he buys, retailer got a discount on the market price of watch from the wholesaler. So this is the cost price. So how much the cost price of this item is? 90. So 10% discount got on the market price. Here we assume that market price is 100. So on this 100, 10% discount means we get that means 90 rupees of the cost price of that one. In turn, he sells it at its market price. Then his gain percentage. So suppose he sells this one for the same market price 100 rupees. So what is the gain percentage? So gain percentage equal to gain. Gain is selling price minus cost price. 100 minus 90 is 10. By cost price 90 into 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. 11 9 ja 99. Carry 1 by 9 percentage. 11 1 by 9 percentage. After option number 2 is the right answer. Next one. A man bought a watch for 640 and sold at a profit of 15%. Find the selling price. So bought a watch for 640 means this is the cost price. Sold at a profit. Profit percentage is given. Now here find the selling price. Selling price equal to formula is cost price into 100 plus profit percentage or gain percentage divided by 100. Your cost price is how much? 640 into 100 plus 15, 115 by 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja. 23 2 ja 46, 23 3 ja 69 plus 4 73, 736. So option number, what is the selling price of this watch is 736. Option number 4 is the right answer. A TV set is bought for 37,200 and sold at a loss of 16.2 by 3%. Find the selling price. So here bought price is given, that is 37,200. Sold at a loss, the loss percentage is given here 16.2 by 3%. Find the selling price. Selling price equal to formula is cost price into 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. So cost price is 37,200 into 100 minus 16.2 by 3. 16 3 is 48 plus 250, 50 by 3 by 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. 372 into, here LCM is 3. 3 into 100, 300 minus 50, 250. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6. Carry 1, 1 2 12, 3 4 ja. 25 0 here, 25 4 ja 100. 25 2 ja 50 plus 10, 60. 25 1 ja 25 plus 6, 31. So 31,000. Option number 3 is the right answer. So selling price of this TV is 31,000. Option number 3 is the right answer. So 215 give correct answer. Very good. A man sold a box for 1,260 at a loss of 10%. Find the cost price. Here selling price is given 1,250, 1,260. Last percentage is given. This is last percentage. Find the cost price. So selling price equal to formula is cost price into 100 minus last percentage by 100. Selling price here 1,260 equal to cost price. We find this one. So 100 minus 10% means 90 by 100. 0, 0 get cancelled. 9 1 ja, 9 1 ja 9. Carry 3, 36, 9 4 ja. 14 into 100, 1400. So cost price is 1400. Option number 1 is the right answer. Next, Ramesh purchased 2 types of wheat, one costing 20 rupees per kilo and the other 25 rupees per kilo in quantities having the ratio 5:4. He mixed the two and sold the mixer at 24 rupees per kilo. In the transaction he got. Now here see that. Here the quantities have the ratio 5:4. 5 means we take 5 kilos. 4 means we take 4 kilos. 5 kilos cost is 5 into 20, 100 plus 25 into 4, 100. 100 plus 100, 200 rupees cost. Cost of this total 9 kilos. So 9 kilos total cost is 200 rupees. This is the cost price. 9 kilos is the mixer of the two. Now here we sold this mixer with 24 rupees. This 9 kilos with 24 rupees. 9 24 into 9. 9 4 is 36. 9 2 is 18 plus 321. 216 rupees. This is the selling price. Selling price more than the cost price means compulsory that person get gain percentage. Gain percentage equal to gain is 216 minus 216 by cost price 200 into percentage means 100. 2 1 ja 2 8. 8% gain. So option number 4 is the right answer. So anyone have any doubt, you ask immediately. Next. A manufacturer sells an article to a wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesale dealer sells it to his shopkeeper at 20% profit. The shopkeeper sells it to a customer for 56,100 at a loss of 15%. Then the cost price of article to the manufacturer is. So manufacturer sells an article at a wholesale dealer, sells at a profit of 10%. So manufacturer sells with 10% profit means he sells with 110% value. Profit, so generally we take cost price is 100%. Profit means 100 plus 10, 110%. He sells selling price with 110% to wholesale dealer. Wholesale dealer sells it to a shopkeeper at 20%. With 120%, he sells to shopkeeper. The shopkeeper sells it to a customer with at a loss of 15%. So 100 minus 15 means for 85%, he sells to customer with cost 56,100. The cost price of the article to the manufacturer is, so at manufacturer says what is the cost price. So we don't know that one. So we take X. So on this X, he sells with 120%, 110%. Next year, wholesale dealer sells with 120% to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper sells only with 85% to customer. That cost value is 56,100. 0 0 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. 4 3 ja 4 25. 5 5 ja 5 17 ja 17 1 ja 73 ja 51 51 51 carry 5 51 73 ja 51 0 0 11 1 ja 11 3 ja 33 0 0 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 0 0. So x equal to 5 into 100 500 into 100 50,000. So option number 1 is the right answer. The profit obtained by selling an article for 56 is same as the loss obtained by selling it for 42. What is its cost price? So this type of problems are very important for examination point of view. The profit obtained by selling an article for 56 is same as the loss obtained by selling it for 42. So that means here, suppose that article sells for 56 rupees, he gets some percentage of profit. The same percentage of loss he will get whenever he sells that one for 42 rupees. He sells for 42 rupees. What is its cost price? So now in this case, cost price equal to both cost prices divided by 2. Average of that both cost prices 56 plus 42 by 2. So here 98 by 2, that value is 49. So option number 4 is the right answer. The profit earned after selling an article for 1754 is same as loss incurred after selling the article for 1492. What is the cost price of the article? So this is also similar one. So here average of both cost prices in both case. So average of both cost prices 1754 plus 1492 divided by 6 14 7 plus 5 12 5 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 12 2 2 ja 2 3 1 6 2 3 is the right answer. So option number 1 is the right answer. A man sold 2 articles for 1260 each. On one he gains 40% and on the other he loses 40%. Find the sum of the cost price of the 2 articles. So here each and every article, 2 articles he sells each and every article with 1260. And one he gains 40%, another he lost 40%. Find the sum of the cost price of 2 articles. Now here, and one he gains 40% means 140% he sells that one. And another he loses say 40% means 60% value he sells that one. Now here 140% value is in first case 140% value is 1260. 0 0 get cancelled 14 1 ja 14 9 ja. 100% cost price 100% value is 900 in first case. Second case you get loss 40% means 60% value is 1260. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 6 1 ja. 100% value is 2100. This is second case. So both cost price sum of the cost price value 900 plus 2100 value is 3000. 3000 is the sum of the cost prices of these 2 items. Option number 4 is the right answer. The cost price of 3 articles is same as the selling price of 2 articles. What is the loss or gain percentage? The cost price of 3 articles is same as selling price of 2 articles.